Ladies and gentlemen, the 2025 snowstorm in middle Georgia is afoot. Look at all that snow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can we recover from this? Amazing. Look at it. So much snow. It's just a band of snow coming in all the way from Texas down to here in Georgia. Very, very interesting. It's gonna keep snowing like this for a few hours, probably until 9 o'clock. So that's it. So much snow. Oh my god. Alright, see ya. And a few hours later, we are having some accumulation of snow now. And it kind of it's getting a little bit harder now. It's snowing quite a bit more. Still half an inch of snow yet, but it's a chance that because it's gonna keep snowing until sundown, it's gonna get a little bit more snowy. So you see, this is my crop here, still dormant, but these things are resilient. There's green onions and this is lettuce, so this thing can survive really low temperatures. Let me see, there you go, they're taking a picture. Yeah, that's it guys. We're having snow in late January here in middle Georgia. Alright, so we have much more snow accumulation this time. Yes, discovered it. I would expect to have like this an inch or two of snow by night. This thing's gonna solidify into ice until temperatures drop quite a bit. Not drop, increase above freezing. So all the rooftops are covered in ice, in snow. -2. Yeah, just a bit of snow just turned into all this stuff. That's crazy. And just to prove, you got all that ice, the snow. Get all that snow. That's crazy. Alright. That's how it looks. And it's almost 6 o'clock. It's gonna be sunset pretty soon. It looks very eerie, but at the same time very beautiful, like a postcard. So next video probably be recording from in the morning. That looks fantastic. So this is close to 7 o'clock now. It's already dark, but it's still pouring down. It's gonna keep snowing until probably 11, close to midnight. So we end up having well over 2 inches of snow at this point. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. So this is now almost 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. I turn off the lights and it's pretty much looks like there's still light outside. I don't know if this is the moonlight. It looks like yeah, something that you see in Alaska, but here is in middle Georgia today.
And rainbows, but it is a whole lot better, which is so odd because for so long I was in a place with no light at all.
Yay! I didn't do anything to melt this ice, but really the concrete is warms up by itself. Of course, by the design. I have no idea. See the level of snow in there? Let's walk a little bit. Sorry about that. This looks surreal. Really over. It was expected to have. We're expected to have 3 inches of snow probably. We got a little bit more than that. There it is. This is my backyard. Wow. It's been, to be quite frank, it has been years since I see so much snow. Well over a decade. Look at that. It's a shame it's in the middle of the week. We'll have spent the rest of the morning making snowmen. So I just want to share with you how it looks like with the daylight on. The daylight light during the day, I was trying to say. I just want to notice that the snow is not like it's kind of mushy. No, it's not mushy, it's crunchy. So it doesn't keep it's like made out of foam. So it looks like it has big it looks like it has a volume, but it's not. It's mostly air. I'm gonna show you the back now. That's the front. My home is covered with ice, with snow. That's gonna melt pretty quick. This is there you go. It's gonna go at the back now. So I tried to make a snowman this earlier, but again the snow is not as thick as I was expecting it to be. By the way, the temperature now is 17, but it feels like 9. If you stay here for a while, you will notice real quick. You're gonna cover your very well. There you go, guys. Hopefully this will survive. It's been alive for a few years, those onions. So there you go. That's winter wonderland out here. It's a shame it's in the middle of the week again. I wanted to spend all day outside, just going outside and look at everything here, but it is what it is. Alright, let's get back home, and that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Safe travels, and see you guys on the road. Hopefully it's gonna melt pretty soon. Have a good one.